So I figured my head's getting a little too Q-tippy, so I figured I would shave my head. I pity the fool. You was the Foo Fighters, ain't you? Why aren't you out there fighting fools? How weird does that look? I can't tell. That has to look bizarre. Again, I still can't tell. What is going on? What? I got like two little weird horns of hair. Horns of hair. Well, that could have been gross. My attachment fell off. I had that happen before. My wife says that one of the funniest things ever, I had a bald spot right there. If I can find the picture, I will put a picture of my bald spot that she found so damn funny, which I don't think I did this time. However, it would have been better back here, or would it? Would it be better in the back of your head or right on the top? I don't even know. Oh no! Can you see that? Is it there? It's there, isn't it? I did! I cut it too short, didn't I? Right there. It's gone, right? Oh my god. That's not good. I hate my life. That's just retarded. Where'd it go? Well, I guess my wife is going to find this to be the second most hilarious. It broke. It broke. That's why it fell off, son of a bitch. What the hell am I going to do now? Well, that's upsetting.